Hello.
आइए.
Yes.
My question is to Karan sir, Nikhil sir, and Guneet ma'am. राइटर्स को ऑफन उतनी क्रेडिट नहीं दी जाती जितनी होनी चाहिए. तो इफ कंटेंट इज द किंग, व्हाट रोल डज हाउ मच रोल डज अ राइटर प्ले इन मेकिंग द कंटेंट किंग?
Actually, content is king because the writer is the emperor. And it's as simple as that. The whole soul and entire structure of a film is born from a writer. If the writer is a director, then of course that's a glorious addition. But just on its own, a writer is everything. We at Dharma Productions empower our writers all the time because we believe we are nothing without them. Literally, they form the structure, the soul, and the narrative of any feature film. So in the world of content, I would say they're not kings and queens, they're beyond that. They're emperors. And empresses.
Guneet ma'am.
I think Karan sir has said everything, and it's absolutely true. Writers are the soul of the film, and this film is written and directed by Nikhil Nagesh Bhatt. So there is a kill in Nikhil's name. So I think it was destined to make kill.
Yeah, you can't say Nikhil without saying kill.
Yeah.
Karan, today the conversation in the industry is that it's getting very difficult to mount a film because a big chunk of the cost is going to the entourage fees of the actors. It's burdening the production, and of course, it's forcing other crew members.
I see Himesh Mankad in row 2, who has been writing about this, and producers are very happy, Himesh. Thank you.
And the entourage cost of actors is actually burdening production and forcing other members of the film to take pay cuts. And it's a conversation that's happening across the board. As a very important stakeholder in the functioning of the industry, how do you look at this practice?
Trust me, Justin, the entourage cost is the least of our problems. It's the main remuneration of the actor that has to be looked at again. And I feel that it's very critical for all the actors to understand exactly how the times are, how the climate of our movies are, how tough and difficult it is to maneuver through making a massive motion picture or a motion picture of any magnitude and size, because it's very difficult because you have so many costs and then you have a P&A cost, and if the above the line cost, which is what comes from the actors, is not viable, then it becomes impossible to mount the film. So every single movie star today has to review what they are asking for, because many a time there will be certain producers that will pay that money because they want to make that film, but it will eventually really cause a lot of damage to the entire system and the ecosystem. So it is really truly not, they can take all the entourage they want. That is not the problem. While it is adding to our costs, it is not the real issue. The real issue is their mothership cost. So they have to look at that and say that there can be back-end deals, there can be percentages of profit, there can be slabs of box office as per performance-based remuneration. All that is possible, but every actor has to really look within, because a lot of them are not really in touch with reality.
Hi. Kill is one of those Dharma films which went to festival first, before, of course, coming back home. Recently, of course, we had All We Imagine as Light, which shown at Cannes.
Yes.
And festivals are the biggest platforms for independent cinema. But so many of the independent filmmakers complain that there's little support back home for them, in terms of how that the mainstream industry does not back their vision or those stories because they don't consider it viable. For someone like you who backed Kill, do you feel that there needs to be that kind of support from the mainstream industry producers, especially for independent filmmakers and stories?
And I think this year has proven that there is no such thing as parallel independent mainstream. Good films. You saw how wonderfully received Lapata Ladies was. It did a certain number theatrically, but then it went on to woo, the streaming audiences with the way it performed. Similarly, we had success way back then. A film like Lunchbox did over 20 crores NBOC at a time where it was unheard of for a film like that to do that number. We have supported Kill, which is a genre film, and we at Dharma really want to kind of work with all kinds of filmmakers and tell all kinds of stories. It just has to make sense when you do the math. You have to know that it has to add up, because all of us are also inherently, we are all artists, but we are also bound by the boundaries of commerce. So we have to make sure that you can find the beautiful balance between art and commerce. And when you do that, then all of us are willing to really promote and support all artists and their creative work.